Hello and welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Baby Shark. So down below in the description I've listed the whole lyrics so you can play and sing along. So I have my Baby Shark with me today and let's go straight into the tutorial. The first note you're going to need in the right hand is D, and then we're going to play the next one up, which is an E, and go straight up to G. So that's the first bit. Baby shark, do 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 do, and then it does it again. Baby shark, do 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 do, and then again. And then the baby, and then you're going to play the black note just below that one. So let's join that together. Then it starts again. So if you just want to play using the right hand, you can leave that there. And there's one more bit in the song left to learn, which I'm going to do a bit later on. But if you want to add some left hand and make it a little bit more challenging, you could play these notes with it. So the first note you're going to play is called a G. And then you're going to play a C. And then an E. And then a D. So we'll go over that again. G, C, E, D. Now I'm going to put that together for you. So the right hand is going to start first. So that makes up most of the song. So there's one little bit left to do. So the part where they're singing "Run Away," you're going to move all of those notes up. So this time we're going to be playing "Run away, do, 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 run away." So you're going to be playing the black note above the D, and then an F, and then the middle black note of the three black notes here. And then it does that again. And then G. So let's put that together. And if you want to add left hand to that, I'm going to play a G sharp, a C sharp, an F, and then a D sharp. I'll do that again. Now I'm going to put that bit together. So if you want to put a little ending on it, when they're singing, it's the end. So it's the end, do, 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 do. And then you could go So there I played D sharp, F, D sharp, F, D sharp. I hope that's been useful. Please let me know if it has and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Bitesize Piano for many more piano tutorials like this one. If you have any song requests, please comment them down below. All requests are noted and considered. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye!